welcome you all today for our project demo. Our project is just very simple, and we are uploading our COVID vaccine certificates directly into Google Drive, which helps billions of people to maintain their vaccine record online in a stable, secure, and easily accessible location. Let's start with we are gonna use UiPath Studio Pro, which is very simple and open source software for automating this process. First, let's start with as soon as we create a new sequence from UiPath, we will get a screen here. I have named it vaccine card. Then under the activities, I'm going to add G Suite application scope as we are going to use G Suite here. Yeah. After adding on to that, two major thing we need to fill it here. That is client ID and client secret. You can get this from here. Let me show it here to you guys. Once you reach a Google Cloud platform, you can get the credential. Once you reach APIs and services, you can get your credential under the credential tab here. Uh, when you do, once people who don't have credential can create a credential from here. And as soon as you create a credential, you will get a client ID and client secret. You can edit and you can watch it. I'm not supposed to show it to you guys. And then you have to enter your client ID and your client secrets. And our next step is to creating a folder inside our G Drive for storing the COVID vaccine certificate. You can just give a create folder and you can drag it here. There are three major options here. The one is the folder name which you are going to give, and the next one is in what folder you are going to put it your folder there. For suppose I'm going to just save it in my drive. I don't have a folder existing before there, so I'm just gonna give root here. This is the sample which I have done. I'm gonna test it now. The, I'm gonna just name it as COVID vaccine card and specify the folder as a root. I will run it for you. Here it shows that it started and it's ended in 4 seconds. I will go to my drive account. There you can see the folder name COVID vaccine card. I mean, you can see the time. It is 6:46 and it's modified on 6:46. Once you open, our aim is just to create a vaccine card folder here as we did here. Our next step is to upload a file. Here we are gonna just specify the path of the file which we needs to be uploaded. For that, we will be using upload file command. So just drag and drop it here. You are going to specify the path to the local file which you are going to upload here. I'm going to upload my own vaccine certificate. So I have uploaded it and the designation folder where it should get uploaded. You have to specify the folder where it should get uploaded. For that, you can check the URL there. This is the designation folder ID. This is the parent ID which I am talking about. Just you have to copy it and you have to paste it here. Suppose I will paste it over here. I have specified my vaccine certificate which I need to upload it. I'm going to specify the parent ID. After specifying my parent ID, I'm going to run it for you guys. It shows that execution started and it's gonna end now. It's ended within 5 seconds. As you can see, the vaccine certificates.pdf has been uploaded to my Google Drive at 6:48 as of now. And our next step is to for this step is not an optional step for countries like India or some other countries. Most of the people don't have printers or they will be using the internet browsers or internet cafe and browsers. So this step is even those centers can implement there. This by this they can just share the file to the user which they're gonna share it. For that, you're just gonna use the share file in this block, and you can share to the user by specifying the file ID which which you are going to share to them, and you can specify the role of the user, whether they should be writer or commentator or reader for their file. I'm specifying it as a reader here and a user, and to the user which you are going to share to. Here I'm going to share it to my another mail to show it to you guys. Let I will show it. You can get this file ID from. To get the file ID, you can just get the share link. Once you post this is the link. This is the parent file name or folder ID or file ID, and you have to specify there to share with others. And I have specified here, and I have specified that user as a reader, and my one more email ID here, and I can also send the notification email to those to whom you are gonna send it. I'm not going to run it again because it will create uh, another folder in my Google Drive. So I'm just will disable this activity. I'm going to disable this too because I have already run this for you guys to show it. And my final step is to well, I will run it and show it to you guys. The equation completed within 3 seconds. To check this, you can just click your view details of the file, and you can see that PDF has been shared to this mail, or else I can just show you to guys. You can see it has been shared to you, and you can just view it. This is a vaccine certificate I'm gonna talking about. That's all from us. Our next step is we are just going to plan it and implement the same process in the cloud. And that's brought us to the end. Thank you for watching. Thank you.